Okay, this painting, except for the tree trunk, is basically going to be snow in moonlight and also in shadow. So it's basically blues and grays. But I want to start with an underpainting that will be not quite as bright. It's going to be grayed down, just the first underpainting layer. The more vivid, intense colors will go on top of that, and you'll be able to see through it a little bit to see the deeper layer. So first I got to make a gray, and I'm not going to use black. So I'm going to start with red. And green to make a brown. I think I need new paints. Okay, we'll start with a green. This doesn't have to be fully mixed, just enough. And then that mixed with a red. Will give us the brown we want. Now that brown mixed with more blue I'll bring a bunch out now because I'm going to be using it. I'm going to need you guys. There's gray. There's not enough of it though, so I'm going to use all the blue and all the brown. Now that's a very warm gray. I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely more brown than blue, so more blue. I'm going to leave some of it. Might need it. That's a cooler blue, but I'm going to make it even more blue to add it all in. Here we go. I'm not going to add any medium to this. This is all going to be paint from the tube. We're done with mediums. The rest of this painting will be done with just straight oil paint from the tube, mixed here on the palette. Okay, there's my gray. I need more blue. And some titanium dioxide white. Brand new tube. This will be the shadow color. And this will be the Moonlight snow color. So as I gray it down a little bit more. There we go. If I need to mix more, I can. Everything is still here on the palette.